Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Love. I am back again. Like, I'm so happy to be back. I know I've been like MIA for a while, so I know y'all probably looking at like, ooh, she uploaded. Yeah, girl, I just wanted to show off this new little wig I got by the Butta Lace collection. The details of this wig in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get into this video, y'all.
So this is the packaging that it came in. Again, it's the Butta Lace. And in the next clip, I'm showing you how I put it on, and I love the color. It was so different for me. I'm not used to these type of colors. I was just trying to get into something outside of my comfort zone. And I feel like this is a nice summer look that you could rock. So right now I'm just trying to, I'm about to cut off the lace so it can blend, and I can blend this in really good. So I'll see y'all at this end of this video. All right, y'all.
And this is the finished look. I love it. It is so nice. It's like a nice summertime color. This is what it looks like from the side. I really like it. You should go get you one of these. The description of this wig will be in the description box down below. Yeah, y'all, I really like this. Like, I really tried to do my thing with this and lay this thing right. So I appreciate everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button because that helps my channel out very much. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.